In this video, we will learn about how we can set up the customized columns in our ads manager. So before creating the campaign, you must need to set up your customized columns so that you will only see the option that are most relevant to you. So how we can do that? So from the Facebook ads manager, you can simply scroll to the left side, left to the right side, and then you will see this option, the plus button, automatic suggestions on or on, or we simply click on this add column to customize these columns. Or another option to set up the customized columns is simply click on this one, performance. Column performance is already selected, so from here you can click on the customized columns. So from the customized columns, these are the columns that are already added. So you can add more columns here, or you can simply remove. So just example, I want to remove the ad set name. I want to remove the bid strategy. I want to remove last edit. I also want to remove the attribution setting. So the budget and the results, I want to drag it to the cost per result. So reach, impression, results, then cost per result is also fine. For quality, in order to check the quality ranking, engagement ranking, and conversion rate ranking. For future improvements, you can also add these columns here. Then amount spent is also fine. So you can again drop it to the this one, cost per result. Then end, I don't want this one. Schedule, I don't want this one. So the next from here, we need to add the more columns here. So I am also interested in the clicks. I am interested in the CPC. I am interested in the click-through rate. Then from here, you can also check which option is most relevant to you. I also want to include the CPM there. Then it's like showing the Facebook post related columns like post engagement, likes, comments, engagement, reactions. I don't want to include these right now. Cost page per post, like cost per engagement, cost per like. If you also want to check these ones, you can use these options. Then the columns related to messages will appear. Then again, the cost per messaging, then media related things. These are also most important matrices when you are using the video views campaign. If you want to check how many people are viewing your video for 25%, 50%, 75, 95, or 100%, these all things. Similarly, you can check the cost of these ones. So these columns are related to the clicks. From here, you can check if you want to include any of the thing in your customized columns. Then for cost for these clicks, then awareness related like estimated ad recall lift from people or estimated ad recall lift rate. Next one are so these are related to the engagement ones, and then matrices to include, these are related to conversions like achievement unlock, add to payment, add to checkout, wish list activation. These all things are available here. So from here, what things we are most interested. So for this business, I am interested in the leads, how many leads I am getting. Then if you are selling something, so you can also include the purchase data from here, or the purchase value and purchase cost. Similarly, you can add the return on ad spend as well. Add to carts, checkout, you can include all these things. The more interested in this business, I am in these custom conversions that I have already set up. So I am interested, instead of this lead, I am just selecting these custom conversions that I have already selected. So sign up lead, sign up view, pricing view, checkout, add to cart, WooCommerce purchase, trial page. So I am interested in these ones. So after adding these things, so other options are relating to targeting like location, age, gender, include or exclude audiences, all those type of things you can see here. Even you can also include the URL parameter tracking or the pixel, all things here. These are the basically the 24 columns that I have added here. So I can scroll down to check if all things are properly working. So one more thing from here in the standard events, if we select just example, the purchase one, so it will include website purchase, offline purchase, and on Facebook purchases. So what is the difference between this one? So this purchase column, with the purchase column, there will be 4 columns that will appear there. So let me show you, then I will set up that. So I am adding myself as a preset, apply. Okay, so from here you can see for the purchase one, so purchases, website purchases, offline purchase, and Facebook purchase. So this purchase column is the sum of website purchases, offline purchases, and on Facebook purchases. This will be the sum of all these ones. So these will be only the Facebook purchases. These will be if any event happening offline, and these are the purchases on the Facebook. So normally we are only interested in the total number of purchases, because from the offline purchases or on Facebook purchases, we are not so much interested in these. Again, you need to click on this button and you can go to the customize columns. And from here, you can simply uncheck these ones. So if I apply this one now, so only you will see only the one purchase column here. So in this way, you can customize this one. So for all the standard events, any of the object that you will select, any of the event you will select, the 4 columns will appear for that one. So you simply need to just like uncheck those, and only the main one or the sum up column will be good to show there. So after like again saving as a preset, you can apply that, and that will be applied here. So again, here you can see all the irrelevant columns that I was not interested in, those were removed. So again, still bid strategy is appearing there. So I am again going to this one and remove this one, bid strategy, and add set delivery and budget loss significant, edit, again attribution setting, schedule. Yes. So again, save as preset, put your name there, and then apply. So now you can see only the relevant ones will appear here. So delivery, then budget, results, reach, impression, cost per result, when it will end, sign up leads, and all these columns will appear. So in this way, you can set up your own customized columns in Ads Manager and just remove those irrelevant columns that are no more related to that business type.